Hi St. Barnabas friends. Hey, I just wanted to pop on and show you a quick little tip that I have learned recently on the internet about masks. I have struggled with my masks gapping open on the side and my glasses fogging up and just not staying in place very well. So since it looks like we're going to be wearing these for a while, I thought I'd hop on and show you a little trick. This is a trick that works with regular surgical masks like this that you can buy now at Target, Walmart, Amazon, stuff like that. Or a homemade mask that is made out of cloth that has the triple seams in it. This one I've already fixed, so I can't open it up to show you exactly how this one is made. But a big shout out to Brenda Anderson, who inspired me to start making my own masks. So she was making masks early on, and I got one from her that I used for quite a while, and then I learned how to make them myself. Anyway, so what you first want to do with these masks is wash your hands. Always wash your hands before you handle your mask. After you've washed your hands, then you're going to pick up your mask. I'm going to use the surgical mask for this idea right now. And you're going to fold it in half so that the seams line up and that the two cords line up. Then what you're going to do is tie a really tight knot in this. And here's the tricky part, is you want to make sure you get that knot super close to the mask part of where it lines up with the mask. All right, so I got it there. See how I got that knot really nice and close right here to the cloth part of the mask? All right, and I've already done it on this end, so I don't have to do both. And then you're going to open it up, and you're going to take this part that's sticking out and fold it under. You're going to have to kind of readjust it the first time you put it on anyway, but just to get it a start, you're going to go ahead and fold it under so that it looks something like that. You can kind of see how it's folded under and tucked in there. And then you have a little mouth or nose piece right here that you can bend over your nose. And you're going to take it and put your mask on and shape it to your face and get that little nose piece bent in. And make sure your corners are tucked, and they are. And you can see right now there is no gap right in the sides here, which is great. And so no droplets can get into the sides. And another thing it does is it kind of pushes out the fabric of the mask, so you look like you have a little bit of a beak, but you're not sucking in your mask all the time either. And if you wear glasses like I do, it fits tight enough that your glasses aren't going to fog up either. So good luck making your masks, and we'll see you around church. I hope